Welcome back to school with Schoology. As you begin your new year, stay organized with Schoology. Here you'll find everything you need for your courses and groups, as well as a central place to communicate with your teachers. Participate anytime and from anywhere using a computer or mobile device. Check grades, submit homework assignments, and even take tests or quizzes within Schoology. To get started, your teacher or school district will give you instructions on how to log in. Be aware that your parent may have their own separate Schoology account to track your progress. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into your account to interact with your courses and groups. Once logged in, navigating Schoology is easy. You'll start your day on the home screen. Here you can toggle between the Recent Activity screen that shows you updates from your school, teachers, and group leaders, and the course dashboard that lists most of your courses. Your teachers will add pictures to the course tiles, making it easy to find each course. If you'd like to see your courses in a different order, simply drag and drop the tiles. If you're enrolled in a lot of courses, click Courses in the top menu, then select My Courses to see a full list. Courses are home to all of your assignments, classroom discussions, and assessments. Your teacher will also organize all the learning materials you need to reference right here. Both within a course and back on the home screen, you'll be able to easily keep track of upcoming and overdue work. Items in the upcoming area have due dates in the near future, whereas overdue items have their due dates in the past and the teacher did not get a submission from you. Click on the title of an item in either upcoming or overdue and be taken directly to that item and work on it. Discussions allow you to add your own comments or reply to other students' comments following your teacher's prompts. If your teacher creates an assignment, read the description and click Submit Assignment. You can upload or create your submission. Assessments will have instructions before you begin. Then you'll make your selection or type a short answer. If your school collects grades in Schoology, you can see them within the course, or at any time from the grades report at the top of the screen. We know, however, that school isn't just about what you do in the classroom. Your day may also involve participating in activities like clubs and sports teams. Work together with your friends and teammates in the Groups area of Schoology. Click Groups in the top menu. Here you see a list of all the groups you're a member of. Click on a group name to go into the group and see what's going on. At any time, click your name in the upper right corner to be taken to your profile. You'll see all your courses and groups listed here, as well as your profile picture. If you hover over your profile picture and see the words Edit Picture, that means your school allows you to add your own picture. Make sure to choose something that will help your teachers see your face, like your school picture. If you don't see Edit Picture, that means your picture will be added by your school. Finally, from within your profile page, click Portfolios. Create portfolios to showcase your work and achievements. Click New Portfolio, then add new materials or copies of work you submitted in a course. Use portfolios to gather materials for a specific subject matter, such as art, writing, or science, or even collect content across many topics for college admissions.